Just 1 spoon of this can completely change the growth of peppers, but most people never use it. If you've started growing peppers, you need to give them this as early as possible so you don't miss out on a heavy harvest. But there is one small step that most people skip, and because of that, peppers later produce much fewer fruits than they should. Peppers use a lot of energy in the beginning, and even more later when they start forming fruits. If you don't give them the right fuel at those stages, the fruits will be smaller and weaker. In this video, I will show you a simple and very effective homemade plant feed made from just a few ingredients that can make a big difference. So let's go step by step. The first ingredient is something almost nobody uses: a spoon of oat flakes. It may sound unusual, but they feed the soil and beneficial microorganisms. This means stronger roots and better nutrient uptake. They don't work instantly, but they create steady growth without stressing the plant. It is best to crush or grind the oat flakes before using them, so they break down faster in the soil and release nutrients more effectively. The finer they are, the quicker they start working in the mixture. Mix them in 500 milliliters of hot water and stir well. The next ingredient is a real garden treasure that many people throw away. Add 1 spoon of wood ash. Wood ash is a classic in gardening, especially for peppers. It is rich in potassium, which directly affects flowering and fruit development. It also contains calcium that strengthens the plant and helps produce firm, healthy fruits. It can also slightly raise soil pH, which is useful if the soil is too acidic. Now we come to the ingredient that gives the strongest early boost, but many people overlook it. Add 1 spoon of nettle tea. Nettle is one of the best natural fertilizers you can use. It is rich in nitrogen, which supports leaf and overall plant growth, but also contains iron and other trace minerals that improve plant strength. That is why peppers often take off quickly after using it and grow more vigorously. Leave everything to rest overnight, then strain it in the morning and dilute it with another 500 milliliters of water. For young seedlings, 1 spoon around the root once a week is enough. For larger plants, about 300 milliliters every 2 weeks is sufficient. Most people never try this, so let me know in the comments if you will test this recipe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.